I'm Dakota. They call me Slow Motion. What's your name?
Olivia.
Today we're working on our starter. What's it do to the engine?
Start.
It starts the engine, so what do we call it?
Starter.
Let's get the hood open, let's get a wrench, and let's get the battery disconnected. There you go, push.
That's dirty. Make sure it doesn't fall through.
We'll take that off and that off. There you go. Go for it, Lily. There you go. Yep. There's the nut. Dang.
Someone probably put those on tight.
Yeah, it was me and Gary.
Why'd you guys put it on that tight?
Because we used a big cordless impact at Rednecks.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Take it out of the box and compare it. Make sure they look the same. See those connections your hands are on? 1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
Do they look the same on the other one?
Yeah.
Where it bolts on, those two holes, do they look the same?
Yeah.
All right, let's put the new starter on.
Yay. Yeah.
All right. Yep, one at a time. There you go, now spin. Righty tighty. There you go.
Okay.
Wait till Mama sees your shirt.
What?
Nothing.
I saw it. It's all stained up.
We're gonna get the monster truck back and going.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. It's gonna be 4-way Easter egg hunt. We're gonna hide eggs in it, right?
Use this for hay rides to the Easter egg hunt.
I thought Mom said we're doing it for the Easter egg hunt.
It's for the Easter egg hunt. We're gonna use this in the trailer to get everybody back in the woods where we're doing the Easter egg hunt. We can tell Bubba you did it. He'll be so excited that Sissy got the monster truck going. Because you know what happens when we're done with this, don't you? You know what we're working on?
What?
Take a guess. It's yours.
The go-kart?
Yep.
Yay!
All right, you want to connect the wires or you want me to?
I want to.
All right.
This way?
We're on the tiny stud. Yep, there you go. You want to put these on?
Yeah.
Washer and then nut.
This way?
Mm-hmm. Put your big one on there.
Big one. Right here?
Yep. It's got to go straight. You got to have it straight. See how you're not straight? There you go. Now you're straight. Good job. You think this starter's going to work or you think we did it wrong?
I don't think we did it wrong.
No?
No.
You think we did a perfect job?
Yeah.
Professional.
20 years experience. It's gone. It's gone. You did it.
All right.
Turn it off?
Yep. I'm Dakota. They call me Slow Motion.
I'm Olivia. Thanks for watching.